Hello, it's Aya the Alchemist, welcoming you back to the channel where we transform our lives into gold. Today we're embarking on a transformative journey to unlock a quality that leaves a lasting impression on those we encounter. It is the quality of being iconic. Keep on watching when you want to gain actionable insights on personal development, when you want to discover practical tips for cultivating confidence, and when you learn how to make a positive impact and be remembered by those you encounter. We will delve into the key principles, habits, and mindset shifts that can elevate your presence and make you unforgettable. So, buckle up for an insightful ride into the realm of your future iconic era. Remember, being iconic isn't reserved for the few, it's a quality we can all cultivate. So, what does it mean to truly be iconic? The term iconic carries a heavy weight. It's often thrown around to describe individuals who have made a significant impact on our world. Those who dared to push boundaries, challenge norms, and leave an indelible mark on the collective consciousness. But being iconic isn't just about fame or notoriety. It's about creating a lasting legacy that resonates with people long after your time. When we think of iconic figures, we might find ourselves drawing inspiration from the likes of Mahatma Gandhi, whose non-violent resistance inspired millions. Or perhaps Marie Curie, who, despite societal barriers, became a trailblazer in the field of science. These individuals and many more embody the essence of being iconic. But let's delve deeper. At its core, being iconic means setting yourself apart from the crowd. It's about daring to be different, daring to be authentic, and daring to be yourself, even when it's uncomfortable. It's about embracing your unique qualities and leveraging them to create a memorable impact on those around you. Being iconic is also about resilience. It's about facing adversity head-on and coming out the other side stronger than ever. It's about learning from your failures and using them as stepping stones towards your success. Moreover, being iconic means inspiring others. It's about lighting a spark within them that encourages them to follow their own path, to challenge their own beliefs, and to strive for greatness in their own right. In essence, being iconic is about leaving a lasting legacy. It's about creating a ripple effect that continues to inspire and motivate long after you've moved on. It's about making a difference in the world and ensuring that your impact is felt and not easily forgotten. With the right mindset, the right attitude, and the right approach, we can all live in our own iconic era. Being iconic is more than being famous, it's about leaving a lasting impression and creating an impact. What makes someone iconic? It's not just about their achievements, but also their character. Let's dive into the common traits that iconic individuals share. These are the attributes that separate them from the crowd and make them truly remarkable. First up, confidence. Iconic figures, no matter their field, exude a certain confidence that is both inspiring and contagious. Think of figures like Oprah Winfrey or Nelson Mandela. They radiated self-assuredness, and it was this confidence that drew people to them. Remember that confidence doesn't mean being fearless. It means believing in yourself even when you're scared. Next, we have style. And by style, we're not just talking about fashion. Style is a broader concept that incorporates the way you carry yourself, the way you communicate, and the way you present your ideas. It's about being unique and unapologetically yourself. Think of David Bowie. His style was distinctive and bold, and it was an integral part of his iconic persona. Then there's authenticity. Iconic individuals are true to themselves. They don't try to fit into a mold or pretend to be someone they're not. Consider figures like Malala Yousafzai or Frida Kahlo. They remained authentic to their beliefs and values, even when faced with adversity. Finally, we have resilience. Iconic figures have an incredible ability to bounce back from setbacks. They don't let failures define them. Instead, they learn from these experiences and use them as stepping stones to success. Take Thomas Edison, for example. He failed thousands of times before he successfully invented the light bulb. But he didn't give up. He was resilient. These traits, confidence, style, authenticity, and resilience, are common threads woven into the fabric of iconic personalities. And here's the good news. These traits are not inherited. They're cultivated, and you can cultivate them too. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to becoming iconic? If yes, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Are you ready? Then let's keep going. Scene script. Confidence is a cornerstone of being iconic. But how do you build it, you might ask? Well, let's dive into some practical tips and exercises to help you cultivate this vital trait. Firstly, understand that confidence comes from within. It's not about emulating someone else's style or persona. It's about celebrating your unique self and owning your journey. Confidence is a byproduct of self-love, self-acceptance, and self-respect. So start by writing down all your strengths and all the things you achieved or overcame so far. In the end, give yourself a pat on the back for the progress you've made so far. Secondly, step out of your comfort zone. Confidence grows when we challenge ourselves and overcome hurdles. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting, starting a new hobby, or learning a new skill, dare to venture into the unknown. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards building your confidence. Thirdly, practice makes perfect. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So seek out opportunities to practice your confidence. Engage in public speaking, take up leadership roles, or simply engage in conversations with new people. Each experience will help you build and radiate confidence. Fourthly, visualize your success. Picture yourself in a situation where you're confident, poised, and in control. Feel the energy, the excitement, and the pride that comes with it. Visualization is a powerful tool that can create a positive mindset and boost your confidence. Finally, be kind to yourself. Confidence isn't about being perfect or never making mistakes. It's about bouncing back from failures, learning from your mistakes, and moving forward with an unwavering belief in yourself. So when you stumble, don't be too hard on yourself. Instead, take it as a learning opportunity and continue your journey with renewed vigor. Remember, confidence can enhance your presence and leave a lasting impression. It's not something that can be acquired overnight, but with persistence, patience, and a positive mindset, you can cultivate it. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about embracing who you are. Scene script. Iconic individuals often create memorable moments. But how can we do the same? Creating memorable moments is all about intentionality. It's about crafting experiences that leave a lasting impression, the kind that lingers long after the moment has passed. Now, these moments don't have to be grand or extravagant. They can be simple yet profound. Consider this. A smile, a kind word, or a thoughtful gesture can make a world of difference in someone's day. It's in these tiny moments of connection that we can leave a mark, and it's these marks that compound over time, contributing to our iconic status. Think about it. What are the moments that you remember most vividly? They're usually tied to strong emotions, right? That's because our brains are wired to remember experiences associated with strong emotional responses. So aim to create moments that evoke emotion, whether it's joy, surprise, or a sense of awe. But remember, authenticity is key. People can sense when something is forced or insincere. So let your actions and gestures come from a genuine place. Be true to who you are and what you stand for. In addition to actions and gestures, connections play a crucial role in creating memorable moments. Building deep, meaningful connections with those around you not only enriches your life, but it also leaves a lasting impression. Imagine being remembered as the person who always made others feel seen and heard, or the one who brought laughter and positivity wherever they went. Now that's iconic. Consider your daily interactions as opportunities to create these memorable moments. Every conversation, every encounter is a chance to make an impact. Even the most mundane situations can be transformed into something memorable with a little creativity and intentionality. So take the time to listen, to engage, to show kindness and understanding. Be present in your interactions and strive to leave each person you meet a little better than before. Every interaction is an opportunity to create a memorable moment. And remember, the journey to becoming iconic is not about being perfect. It's about being uniquely you, leaving your mark in the simplest yet most profound ways. Becoming iconic is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing who you are and also daring to become who you want to be. Remember, being iconic is not about fame or fortune. It's about leaving a lasting impression, influencing others positively, and living authentically. Today, we've explored what it means to be truly iconic, inspired by the journeys of iconic figures from different walks of life. We've delved into the key traits often shared by these individuals: confidence, style, authenticity, and resilience. These are not traits you're born with, but ones that you can cultivate and refine over time. We've also shared practical tips to help you build and radiate confidence, no matter the situation. Confidence is not just about how you feel, it's also about how you make others feel when they're around you. And remember, Iconic individuals are often remembered for the memorable moments they create, through their actions, gestures, and connections. So what does being iconic mean to you? Perhaps it's about making a difference in your community, or maybe it's about breaking barriers in your field. Maybe it's about living your truth and inspiring others to do the same. Whatever it is, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your thoughts on what being iconic means to you in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, and keep transforming your life into gold.